Bunting.
That looks exactly like your illustration. That looks like Boo Boo Boy from Chapter 2 of Baby's Good Day.
Baby Bunting came into this world just last week.
Now, everything is fully controlled by our computerized command center. Hiya, fellas!
Now go to crossover mode.
Okay, Richard, give me Baby Bunting vocal. What's your name, little girl?